Welcome back. Advocates say that the new decision of the government on MOI shall have no bearing on the contempt petition against primary schools for converting their medium of instruction to English. They say government's decision on MOI and contempt of court by 105 primary schools are two different issues. Advocates say that court can still decide on action to be taken against the schools for violation of court's order.
Constitutional expert advocate Cleophas Coutinho says that the new decision of the government on MOI shall have no bearing on the contempt petition against primary schools for converting their medium of instruction to English.
Now on the question of contempt, contempt is always a matter between the court and the contemptor. And in this case, it is a dispute between the court and 105 schools. The decision of the government, the new decision taken by the government, shall have no bearing on the contempt petition pending before the High Court theoretically. However, the court can always take into account the new decision of the government for the purpose of taking a lenient view of the matter. Secondly, the court can always call upon the government to take appropriate action against the schools. And in that case, the government may also take into account the new decision for the purpose of taking action against those schools which have already shifted to English medium last year despite the order of the court.
Advocate Amit Palekar says that contempt of order of the High Court would remain alive irrespective of government's new decision on MOI.
Now, medium of instruction could not have been changed when there was an order specifically to say that you don't do this right now, you wait for our orders or wait for the decision in the particular petition which was filed. Now, in view of that, if a school has changed medium of instruction, it is absolutely wrong to do it because you are violating orders of the High Court, and it has got nothing to do with what a government decision has been taken, what decision government has taken right now. So, considering this aspect, the issue of contempt will always remain open. कित्याक ज्या वेळार एक डिसिजन हायकोर्टाचे आशिल्ले ते तुमी यू डीड नॉट बॉदर अबाउट इट और रादर यू इग्नोर्ड इट एंड चेंज्ड इट. आनी हो प्रश्न हायकोर्टाने केला की तांचेर तुमी कितें एक्शन घेतला हें आमकां सांगा. आनी हो इश्यू ऑलवेज ओपन आसा. अजून ताजेर कांय जावं ना. सिन्स हायकोर्ट इज ऑन वेकेशन वी हॅव टू वेट फॉर द कोर्ट टू रिओपन एंड फायंड आउट वॉट इज द हायकोर्ट्स व्यू पॉइंट on this contempt petition. Means government was also confused, or rather government is trying to confuse the whole issue on this medium of instruction, or rather probably government is trying to balance both the sides to say that come on, we will give grants to schools which are imparting education in English as well as Marathi and Konkani, and to please everybody. Ultimately that's government's decision. Court has to decide on the point of law. The point of law is at a particular time whether there was an order of the court restraining such a doing and you did something in violation of the orders of the court. If you have done something in violation of the orders of the court, it amounts to contempt of the orders of the court. And that issue is a totally different issue than government's policy decisions, for sure.
Our reporters Navdeep Agyar and Savio Dice with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Borkar family seems to have all toppers in their family. Tejas Borkar stood third in Goa board and secured 95% in SSCE. Right from his father, aunties and brother, Tejas is proud to say that he belongs to a family of toppers. Here is the special history of the toppers family. Tejas Borkar secured 95% in SSC examination. He has almost scored topmost marks in all subjects. Prudent tried to dig the background of the Borkar family, and to our astonishment, there are around 5 toppers in the family, all securing top marks in Goa board. Here is a brief account.
See, my sister-in-law, Taji Atya Borkar, Seema Borkar, she was third in Goa. Mahesh Borkar, tajo kaka, he was second in Pune board. ताजे आत्याचे म्हणजे बापायची आत्या आशिल्ली न्ही, शांता बन्साली, शी वॉज ऑल्सो फर्स्ट इन गोवा बोर्ड. शी वॉज द फर्स्ट गर्ल स्टुडंट टू स्टँड फर्स्ट इन गोवा लॉंग बॅक. मागीर ताजे नंतर माय हजबंड ऑल्सो वॉज 30th इन द बोर्ड. ताजे नंतर म्हजो व्हडलो चलो वॉज फर्स्ट इन द बोर्ड एंड नाव ही. खूब बरें दिसता, खूब बरें दिसता. It has given me lot of pleasure.
Tejas' father, late Shailendra Borkar, was a doctor by profession and has a hospital in Margao. Tejas gets inspired by his father and wants to pursue his career in science and aspires to be a doctor. He is a student of Mahila Nutan High School.
म्हाका डॉक्टर जावपाक कित्याक म्हजी फूल फॅमिली डॉक्टर आसा चडशी आनी म्हाकाय आवडटा डॉक्टर जावपाक. डॉक्टर भितर स्पेशलायझेशन कितें चिंतलां
ना ते मागीर इंट्रस्ट कोण डिसायड करता.
A reporter in Margao, Savio Dias. Monsoon has reached Kerala. Southwest monsoon brought showers to Kerala on Tuesday and is expected to reach Goa in another 3 to 4 days. National Weather Forecasting Centre has confirmed that monsoon has reached Kerala. Meanwhile, though Goa is yet to witness the monsoons, the capital city of Panji is choked and flooded with a couple of untimely showers. Watch this report. Kerala usually receives monsoon showers by June 1st. Monsoon watchers attribute the slight delay in the onset of monsoon to Typhoon Mawar active in Western Pacific Ocean of the Philippines. The IMD declares the onset of monsoon over Kerala when 50% of the 14 observation stations in the state and Lakshadweep Islands report rainfall for 48 hours. National Weather Forecasting Centre has confirmed the arrival of monsoon in Kerala.
उन 14 स्टेशन में से कम 60% 60 स्टेशन में 2 दिन लगातार बारिश होनी चाहिए. तो ये जो क्राइटेरिया, तीनों क्राइटेरिया बादलों के, हवा के और बारिश के पूरे होने के बाद ही मानसून ऑनसेट डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. ये जो कंडीशंस हम मॉनिटर कर रहे थे लगातार 25 मई से हम लगातार मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं पूरे अरब सागर को और बंगाल खाड़ी को और साउथ इंडिया की बारिश को, और आज वो सारी कंडीशंस पूरी हुई हैं.
The southwest monsoon has officially made its entry into the subcontinent. Last year, southwest monsoon had arrived 2 days before time. Yes, on the 29th of May, southwest monsoon was seen in Kerala. The official entry for the southwest monsoon was targeted on the 31st of May. This year, however, it's the 1st of June when we expected southwest monsoon to come into Kerala. As we can see, southwest monsoon is likely to progress further up, not just from the south. It will move in from the northeast as well, making its way up to the north to Delhi.
Meanwhile, though Goa is yet to witness the monsoons, the capital city of Panji is choked and flooded with couple of untimely showers.
प्री मॉन्सून सीजन स्टार्ट जाल्लोच आसा आनी हांगासर सगळे रस्ते बीन भरला. तुमी फाटल्यान हांगासर पळयलां आसतलें, सगळे रस्ते बीन सगळे हांगासर उदकान भरपाक लागल्या. इंडियन मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटाचे ऑफिशियल म्हणटा की 2 दिसांनी मॉन्सून येतलो आनी हांगासर अशें कितें जातलें ते तुमी आतांच पळोवंक शकता. जे रस्ते आतांच भरपाक लागल्या, CCPन हेतून स्ट्रॉंग नोट घेवचो आनी बेगिनाचे बेगीन हे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व कशे अशें आमकां दिसता. चलचित्र खबराकार प्रज्योत पेडणेकारा वांगडा हांव नवदीप आगियार, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar is planning to boost up monsoon tourism in the state. He inspected the Kalangut beach on Tuesday and took stock of the safety measures required for tourists along the beach and other amenities. He said that toilets and changing rooms will be set up along the shore on priority this monsoon.
Dilip Parulekar along with Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo, Sarpanch Joseph Siqueira and officials of tourism department visited the Kalangut beach. They inspected the area along the beach.
ज्या जाग्यार इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जावं तो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जावचो म्हणून आमी आमच्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या मनशां प्लॅनिंग करून दिल्लें आसा. थोडे जे इमिडिएटली जाय हे प्लॅनिंग आनी थोड्या दिसांनी पावस जाता म्हणसर लायक संडास, चेंजिंग रूम हे कांय गोष्टी जातल्यो आनी बाकीच्यो ज्यो गोष्टी आहा सायमल्टेनियसली फुडल्या 1-2 वर्सांच्या टर्निवर जावची अशें ह्या आमच्या लोकल MLA पंचायतीची आनी डिपार्टमेंटाची इच्छा आसा. त्या खातीर आमची आयज विजीट डी आसा, आमी हांगा आयज केल्ली आसा.
A reporter in Kalangut, Vinod Meter.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.